Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mona G. I am the creator of the Speak with Purpose formula, emotional intelligence coach, and I am here to help you up-level your communication skills. Before we move on, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and if you have any suggestions or any questions, I might just answer them. Now let's get into it. I want to help you succeed. And whether that is in your professional life, in your personal life, in your family life, in your friendship life, in any kind of situation and in any kind of context, communication is part of the equation. The underlying architect of communication is emotional intelligence. And what does emotional intelligence mean? It means to connect and understand your own feelings and those of the people around you. What does it mean to speak your truth? It means to express yourself authentically. And how can you merge those two together? We want to speak with love for ourselves and respect for all involved. Whoever we're talking to, we want to be respectful, and we want to show ourselves the utmost love by honoring exactly where we are and sharing authentically. The number one phrase that I invite you to drop from your communication. And before I tell you what that phrase is, I want to tell you why. Because in any interaction, in any conversation, the determining factor on whether that conversation is going to be one that creates connection, as in builds a bridge, or disconnection, as in builds a wall, is going to start off from the very beginning, and that is the greeting. The first thing we say to each other. Now, whether that's in writing, like in an email, professionally, or in face-to-face interactions or text messages, or it doesn't matter. But especially in a professional environment, the beginning of that email or the beginning of that interaction in the meeting sets the tone for the entire thing. And it is so powerful. It has the power to create an environment where everybody feels safe and comfortable, which then is going to lead to collaboration, to working together, to making progress. Or if everybody is already on edge from the first moment, it's just going to be a bunch of people that are shut down and nothing is ever going to come from it, right? And so the two factors we have to look at is, what is our intention? Our intention is to make a connection. If we're the initiator of this conversation, whether that be an email or run into a person on the street or a conversation with a friend or a text message, it doesn't matter what it is, but if we are the initiator of it, then we have the power to create the environment that's going to give that conversation the best chance of succeeding at being one of connection. And the two elements of this are, what is my intention and how can I make my intention be felt by the other person? And I use the word felt on purpose because words are powerful. Words carry energy. And so we put our energy into those words whether we're aware of it or not. And the other person, whether they're aware of it or not, is picking up on what we're putting down, if you know what I mean, okay? And so when starting a conversation, the number one phrase that you never want to use is "hey there." While it's okay in very casual situations where the people are very comfortable with each other, in a professional environment where you want to come across as respectful, it is a niche. Don't ever start an email with the phrase "hey there." And let me tell you why. When we don't address people by their name, energetically, that actually lands as an attack on their identity. Why? Because it comes across as, you don't even give me the respect of acknowledging my name. And people's names are a big part of everybody's identity, isn't yours? So if I say, hey there, who knows who I'm talking to? Especially if you're sending an email and there's multiple recipients on it. How does anybody know who actually is there? Hey there, hi there. No. So what do you do instead? Use their name. Very simple, very straightforward, and very powerful. It conveys respect. It acknowledges the existence of that particular person. Is respectful, and it shows your intention of wanting to create connection. When we say hey there, it's like just throw in you know what at the wall and seeing where it lands, if it sticks. And I'll tell you, if you're dealing with a person that respects themselves, it's not going to land well. If you are someone working in the corporate environment and you're looking to make a good impression, you're looking to move up the ladder or so forth, don't ever use hey there or hi there. Instead, it's so simple. Use the person's name. Okay? But Mona, what if I don't know their name? What if I can't tell their name by their email address? Good morning, good afternoon, and then be honest. I was trying to figure out what your name is from the email, but I couldn't. Be honest. If that's something that you're curious about, be honest about it. That's part of speaking your truth. And let me know the different reactions you get. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe, or you can also check out my website, www.speakwithpurposecoaching.com. Until the next time, XOXO, bye!